Welcome to the part 4 of designing the website. And today, what we're going to talk about is how to add um, hyperlinks or links outside the website. And this could also, uh, and also adding uh, links within the website. But this video is all about just adding a website in the web page. So to start off, let me just share my screen back. And then we'll go back to this document that has the basic code needed, right? What we need here to add the links is that we have to um, put the p tagging in the body section. P basically means paragraph or the comments, right? And then I wanna put say please refer to this link. The recipe is on this link. Let's just say it that way. The recipe is on this link. And then since there's an open tag, we have to put some closing tag here. Now, to add the link, we have to use the A tagging, but do not put a closing bracket yet. And then the code HREF, that's the code to use. And then equal sign, then open close. Then put the link. Uh, let's say I'm using this link for example. I'm attaching the link of my YouTube channel for uh, as reference. And then we'll put a closing tagging, close, and then closing bracket. And then I will name it as Rolling Berta because that's the name of the channel. And then I'm also this is where we're putting the closing tagging, for example. So if you notice, right, the opening bracket is here and then the closing bracket is here. So we will only place the closing bracket here once the link and the codes are already in place. And then since we have opened this up with the opening tagging of A, then let's make sure that we're also closing it with a closing tag A tagging. So let's see if it's going to be successful. A and then HTML. So there you go. This is the one that we have created, my web page, and let's see if it's working. There you go. Uh, you notice, right? Um, that the paragraph that we type in the recipes on this link is printed is typed in, but this is not the link itself. Okay. You remember I named the link as Roland Lamberte because that's going to be the name of the link. And to prove if we click that, it should route us to the link that we have attached, which is outside the web page that we're creating. Let's see. There you go. It actually led us to the link we have added. So that's just how simple it is to add um, a link to a web page. I hope you have learned something for today.